Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Samsung Galaxy F15. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click on open and then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad, then click allow and click consent. Then click this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see now I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.